In this video, I am going to show you how to fix purchase failed because something went wrong on Roblox. Here are several potential fixes you can try. You can check your payment information, credit card or payment method issues. Ensure that your payment card are correct and up to date. Verify billing address. Double check that the billing address entered in Roblox matches the one on file with your payment provider. Ensure your Roblox account is in good standing. Check Roblox server status. Clear cache and cookies on web. Try a different payment method. Reboot or retry. And check for Roblox updates. If the problem still persists, you can also contact Roblox support. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.